Go to merchize.com. Enter Sandproof Beach Blanket on the search box to browse all the Sandproof Beach Blanket in our catalog. Click on the product of your choice and go to the product page. In this video, we will select the Sandproof Beach Blanket to create our design. Click on the Start Designing button. You will be redirected to our mockup generator page. Here is the interface of our mockup generator. At the center is the workspace where you create designs for your product. Under the main workspace are 3 tabs: Blanket, Drawstring Pouch, and All Areas. Add your designs to the respective tab. At the center design canvas is an outline of the printing area. The gray area represents the bleed area. Make sure your design covers the entire area, including the gray zone. If you don't extend your design to cover this gray area, it might show white fabric on the final product. The white area is the safe zone area where you place all your important design elements. So if you don't want details to be cut off, don't put it outside the white area. The right sidebar is where you add and adjust all the design elements on your designs. You can add images or add texts to your designs and edit your elements to create your own unique design. For detailed guide on how to create a proper all-over print design, you can just click on Guideline on the right sidebar. Now let's place our beach blanket in this section. Remember that your designs or design elements must have a minimum DPI of 150 to get the high-quality printing. Next, let's add your design for the pouch under the drawstring pouch section. After filling all design areas, you can hit the Save Product button to start generating mockup images for your designs. If you are satisfied with how the mockup look, you can hit the Next button to start listing this product. Or if you want to download the mockup image only, just click the Download on the bottom. Go to merchize.com. Use the search box to search for the Sandproof Beach Blanket option you'd like to create design for. On the product page, under the Template and Mockup tab, you can find the link to download the template and mockup file. For this part, we will continue to create design using the template of our Sandproof Beach Blanket. Go to photop.com, drag and drop the template to Photop's workspace. Just like in our mockup generator, this template also includes a similar set of design areas, including the blanket and the drawstring pouch. On this template, the green dashed line marks the safe zone area where you should place all of your important design elements. The gray area is equal to the bleed area in the mockup generator. Your design should cover this whole gray area. For the next step, you just have to fill all the areas on this template with your own designs. First, let's fill this template with the design for the beach blanket. Make sure your design cover the full entire gray area, and don't forget what we said about the green dashed line. Always keep your important elements within the green lines. Next, let's add the design for the drawstring pouch. One thing you should notice about the drawstring pouch is that it is split into different sections. The front section will be what is mostly visible when the pouch is in use. The 2 back sections will wrap around to form the back of the pouch once it's sewn and gathered with a drawstring. If you want to make a seamless design from front to back, make sure to match the 2 back sections. Now, let's place the pouch design onto this section. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include on your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photop, click on File, select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. At the beginning of this video, I have shown you how to create mockups using our mockup generator. However, you can also download and use our PSD mockup files to create mockup and avail advanced edit tools on Photoshop to generate impressive mockup images of your own. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD files. You will find different mockup versions along with the preview images. You can look at the preview image, select the ones you like and download the corresponding PSD files. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. After opening the mockup file, look to the right side of your screen, you will see the layer panel. Double-click on the thumbnail of the Place Your Design Here layer here to open Smart Object. On the new Smart Object tab, before adding your design for the mockup, turn off the example layer on top to reveal the template. Now you can fill this template with your own design. Or you can just fill this space with the design you have previously created with template file. Afterward, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S, back to our files. You can see the design has been adapted to the mockup. With this mockup file, you can replace the background with a new one. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.